Jamaica's Criminal Record Office undergoes major upgrade. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Members of the public who use the services of the Force's Criminal Records Office will notice a significant change of Monday, July 22nd. The online-based police certification application management system, or the PCAMS for short, has undergone a major upgrade to streamline the user experience and give users greater control of the application process. Starting Monday, applicants will be able to amend their appointment dates, edit and upload photos, make corrections to incorrect data upon approval. Employers, embassies, consulates, and high commissions and other users of police certificates will also see changes as the security features have been updated. The new features have already been communicated to major stakeholders, the police high command stated in a release. The Jamaica Constabulary Force remain committed to providing high quality service to the public and stands ready to address any situations or concern. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.